Guess what we just got today?
This is your second video.
Yeah.
A bird.
We caught a bird in a trap. In 3. Before we see the bird.
Drew, he just wants to try and eat the bird.
I know. Leave a like, smash that subscribe button, leave on notifications, or all that stuff, and look.
I wonder if that's blood or if it's... Oh, it is blood. Oh, what a sin. I feel bad.
Mom, by the way, this is on YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah, we caught a bird. It's a starling.
Mommy, I bought cars today. Hey, Paige, I bought cars today.
Caught it in this trap.
I wish we can release him and help his nose.
Yeah. Well, we'll have
He's getting a little bit calm.
Aww. He's super cute, right? What? I think he might love this.
And there's the bird feed.
Aww, he's super cute. Look at his cute eyes. I thought he was scared.
Okay. Bye starling, and bye video.
Yeah,
So,
goodbye.
The starling is bleeding on
Hey,
the
that
nose.
was mine.
So we're gonna bleed. We're gonna let him go soon.
Someone gave it to me.
But
No, I didn't
the
want
bird's
it.
like,
Take it
all right,
then.
I'm just gonna eat some food here.
Oh.
He's like, I love the camera. I love the camera. He's not like that. He's not even looking at the camera.
Hey,
Okay.
I forgot this was yours.
Bye, camera.
This was